We're back at the Flying Goat in Spokane. A wide variety of unique pizzas pair perfectly with their extensive selection of local beers, creating a match made in heaven for lunch or dinner. But when the food is this good, who really needs an excuse to pull up a chair?
The pizza is outstanding.
We devoured everything. It was really good, fresh.
Killer pizza, so best in town.
We just really want to bring a little bit different style of pizza to Spokane.
Jonathan Sweatt is the owner of Flying Goat. He and his team took traditional Neapolitan pizza and gave it their own spin, creating something really special.
There's nothing better than the history of a food, and the history is Italy. But to be able to bring in the local ingredients and the different flavors and things like that, it was too good of a culinary journey to pass up, and that's really why we launched the Flying Goat. It was like, hey, let's do something that honors the traditions, but also let's do something that's a little bit different, and we could put our own spin on it.
Leading the charge in the kitchen is executive chef Adam. His expertise and energy is the glue that holds the restaurant together.
It's not only his culinary talents, but his energy. His balance is incredible between just taking care of his team and just making Flying Goat a family.
Yeah.
Now I get to learn how to make pizza from the goat himself, Chef Adam.
We're gonna make some great Flying Goat pizza. Right?
Right. Most of the magic happens with the dock, so it's just kind of
The dock.
the dock. We're gonna push some of this air out. Money.
Sweet. Okay.
Here's the tricky. You're gonna pull it apart and then twist at the same time.
Are we supposed to have
No,
the bubbles?
those are money bubbles.
Those are money bubbles.
Now the move is to go out and up at the same time.
Oh.
Okay, so we're docking,
Okay.
and now we're stretching,
Stretching,
and we're turning.
returning. No.
Easy money. So now,
The first one was way better.
no wait, see, look, this one's way better.
Really?
Yeah, this one's got a little thin spot right here.
Oh yeah, you're right. It does kind
Yeah, I
of.
just made that up. But.
Okay. You're just making me feel better. You probably do this in your sleep.
Sometimes those,
Yeah.
we call those nightmares, though. Like,
Work nightmares.
ticket machines going
Anxiety.
off. And,
Yeah. Okay.
all right, so now let's make some pizzas.
Woo.
Flour, you got the
There's
flour
the
still.
flour. I know.
So what we have is pork and apple sausage. This is a fresh sausage we made. We went with apples because it really represents Washington State.
Yes.
We're gonna pair it with some potatoes because again,
Washington. And some nice arugula.
Certain times of the year we work with New Heritage Farms, 15 miles away. Like how much closer do you get?
I know. That's great. Okay.
A couple ounces of cream,
I
and then
would never think that.
the cheese and the cream will turn into like our Alfredo.
Kind of that saucy.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So how much?
For too much. Oops, I'm sorry, the camera made me do that.
We add our cheese, potatoes, sausage, and onions, then put the pizza in the oven.
So then this is our little fresh pop, this little champagne vinegar
Okay.
that we put on this.
Yes. Good job. Look at how crispy that is.
So you're looking to
Oh
hold
my
itself
gosh. Yeah, it does. It's not droopy.
up. You did all right. You have a job in pizza after this film stuff.
So good. You're the pizza master.
You know, really nothing complicated about it. It's just about getting the best ingredients you can, shooting with a little bit of respect.
I respect you in my belly. It's so good.
We practice.
Yeah. Done it a few times.
For more chef-inspired recipes, visit us at wagrown.com.